Hi guys, this is Chetan Parkash and you're watching my channel. So guys, I am from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, and I have passed out from PGI Chandigarh. And in this video, I'm going to discuss with you the most important fun facts about the first female in the world. And um, you all of know that I have started a new series of GK for the students who are preparing for BSc paramedical and BSc nursing entrance examination of PGI Chandigarh, and 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 I am continuing this series till now. And today's session is about first female in the world, like first female to win the Nobel Prize, first female to um, to climb the Mount Everest, and there are so many different points which I will discuss in the later section of this session. So let's get started, guys, without any further delay. And before going to start, I have covered first male in the world in my previous session, and I have taken a session on the Corona Omicron BF.7 variant, and in that video I have discussed uh, different points like and different what are why this COVID-19 variant is so much dangerous, and what are the precautions. And there are so many different points which are um, essential to be you are medical student, so आपको पता होना चाहिए, तो you must know that points. So if you have not seen that video, please see that video, please watch that video. So let's get started. And guys, these are the golden points, these are the important points which are essential for your examination. And so first women president of a country, first women president, you have seen presidents are mostly like males, but females are also president, like India have also president, female president. Currently the uh, Draupadi Murmu, the female president of India. So the first woman to be president of a country is the Maria E. Peron. Maria E. Peron was the first woman president of a country, and the country was Argentina. And this is the flag in front of you of the Argentina. So you can also and the question also be framed out as first women president of India. So if you have, and if you know the first female president of India, please mention in the comment box. So this is the question of for you, today's question for you. So first woman to have a space walk, the first woman to be space walk is SY Sweetskaya, ठीक है, SY ये you can also only remember the name of the only surname Svistkaya. SY Svistkaya is the first woman to have a spacewalk. And guys, first woman PM of country is the first woman PM. The first woman PM is S. Name is in front of you as Bandaranaike, and she is from Sri Lanka. Because guys, my English pronunciation is weak, so please don't mind. She is from Sri Lanka, and this is the Sri Lanka flag in front of you. Mostly you have seen that flag because those are cricket lover that are familiar with this flag, Sri Lanka. So because Sri Lanka is our neighbor country, so first woman PM, um, PM is in the Sri Lanka country. She is S Bandarnik, ठीक है. And the first woman to cross 7 seas, सात समुंदर पार. So first woman to cross the 7 seas is Bula Chaudhary, and I think she's from India. But I am not confirmed that because Chaudhary is the surname that is mostly used in the India. So first woman to cross the 7 seas, Bula Chaudhary, ठीक है. So let's move ahead in the next slide. And the first non-white woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature, guys, first non-white woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature was Toni Morrison. Toni Morrison is the first female to win the Nobel Prize in the literature. She is the first non-white female. and the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. And guys, we are proudly say that she is from India. Santosh Yadav, first woman to climb Everest twice, and I thought she's from India. Santosh Yadav, first woman to climb Everest twice. And the first woman to go into the space was Valentina Tereshkova, and she's from Russia, Russian origin. And this is the flag in front of you of Russia, and the color inside the flag you should remember: red, blue, and the white. So first female to go into space is Valentina Tereshkova, and the first woman to reach Antarctica. You know, Antarctica continent is around all of the space is covered by the ice, and the first woman to reach Antarctica is Caroline Michelson. Caroline Michelson is the she is from she reached the Antarctica first woman to reach Antarctica. And move to ahead in the next slide. First woman Nobel Prize winner. You know, guys, you are a science student and you should remember this point. You should remember this point because Marie Curie has a lot of contributions in the field of radioactivity, in the field of nuclear medicine. So Marie Curie is the first woman who won the Nobel Prize twice. She is also the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in uh, physics and in chemistry also. So this is the very important point from the point of GK, because you are going to be a part of a medical institution like PGI. So you should remember that. You must remember that. I can say you must remember that this point. And you can surprised to know that the whole family of Marie Curie was Nobel Prize winner. The Pierre Curie and the Marie Curie, these are two couples, and Marie Curie has a died due to, guys, radioactivity, and she had a lot of contribution in developing the modern day instruments today, radioactivity. So Marie Curie is the first women Nobel Prize winner, and the first woman to climb Everest. First women to climb Everest. In the previous session, I have told about first man to climb Everest. Let me know how can how let me know ki, how many you have remembered that first man to climb Everest. Please mention in the comment box right now. First man to climb Everest, and the first woman to climb Everest is J. Tabby. Junko Tabby is the first woman to climb the Everest, and the first woman to cross the Strait of Gibraltar is the Aarti Pradhan, and I thought she is also from India, Aarti Pradhan. So first woman to world to cross the Strait of Gibraltar is the Aarti Pradhan. So guys, in this video I have discussed in these important points. So I hope that this video is really helpful for you, and if you thought this will helpful for you, please hit the like button of the video, and please do subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon, and please share this video to the all of the your friends, your friend circle, your relatives, so that everyone should know about the first women in the world. And this is not also this you can also share this video to the UPSC aspirant, because GK is same in every exam, because GK is itself a word journal knowledge. It's a journal knowledge for all of us. So this is a session on first female in the world, and I hope you really enjoyed this session, guys. So, and if you wish to follow me on Insta handle, this is my ID, Chetan underscore Kande underscore, and link is given in the description box. Please follow me on Insta handle for the latest updates, and you can also do direct message me, DM me, if you have any query related to the session, related to your exam preparation, your career. You can easily contact with me on this Insta handle point. So, and if you are new to my channel, let me introduce. I have also a vlog channel also. So this is the name in front of you, Vlog Tonic. This is my vlog channel, and I love vlogging, guys. I love vlogging. Although subscriber are low in this channel, but I am trying my best, and I have uploaded a lots of video, like 209 videos, and mostly of our Chandigarh. mostly my vlogs are of Chandigarh, but also outside vlogs are like Delhi, like you know like Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, and there are lots of vlogs. You can also watch that videos if you are a vlogging lover. So please, and I have mentioned this channel in my this channel, on that this video is uploaded. And you can also find this channel on YouTube and in the featured section of my channel. So, and if you are a Facebook lover, and you can also like my page Chetan Prakash, and lots of information I'm sharing to the Facebook. So you can also like that page if you use Facebook. So please like, link is going to description. And if you are not connected with me on Telegram, please join that Telegram channel Chetan Prakash 46. Please join, link is given in description, because in the Telegram channel I'm discussing, and students also discuss their queries with the other. And if I am late in making the video, i just I just message in the Telegram. So you can follow this Telegram channel. And if you are a Twitter lover, you can also follow me on Twitter account Chetan_Kande. And please do subscribe my channel, guys. Please do subscribe my channel, because if you don't not subscribe, you are not notified. And please to in these days the YouTube red button is changed into the white button. So please hit the white button. I am saying please hit the white button, and please press the bell icon. So this is my YouTube channel Chetan Prakash. Please subscribe this, guys. So we have reached at the end of the session. So if you really enjoyed this session, please guys hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.